The average knowledge worker spends 4.1 hours per day on repetitive tasks. With Make.com and AI, you can automate 80% of that. I'll show you exactly how. Build a scenario that reads incoming emails, categorizes them with AI, drafts responses for routine ones, and flags urgent items. This alone saves 45 minutes daily. Connect RSS feeds to AI for content summarization, then auto-generate social media posts and schedule them. One scenario handles what used to take a content manager 3 hours. When a new client signs up, AI generates a welcome email, creates project folders, sets up tasks, and sends a customized onboarding guide. Zero manual work. Full screen recording walking through building each automation from scratch in Make.com, including the AI module configuration and testing workflow. Grab my 5 free Make.com AI templates in the description. Subscribe and hit the bell for the advanced Make.com tutorial next week.